Lately, I have been wondering if AI has made me think less. Because most of the time when I use it, I do this. I ask a question, I read the answer, and I move on. It feels efficient and it feels like learning. But something important disappears. Because the moment the answer comes first, the thinking doesn't have to happen. So I have been trying something different. I still ask the questions, but I don't read the answer. I try to answer it myself first. Just a small change. Ask, take a pause, try to answer, and then compare. So today, I'm going to show you how that looks. The question I'm going to ask is, why do habits form so easily? And why are they so hard to break? So let's move over to my computer. So here is the question. Let's take a look at my attempt to answer it. A habit is formed when something makes our lives easier and or more pleasant. We therefore repeat them, and with each repetition we build the habit. The reasons they are so hard to break depends on how long we have used the habit. The longer often mean that the harder to break. The difficult comes from the fact that when one action becomes a habit, we don't think before doing it. And to break it, the first step is awareness and thinking, which can be uncomfortable. When we are aware and stop and think, we need to replace it with other ways to act, and that can be hard to do. And here we have ChatGPT's answer. Habits feel easy to form but hard to break because your brain is literally designed to automate repeated behavior and then defend those patterns once they're built. Here is what's going on under the hood. First step, your brain loves efficiency. That means less effort, faster decision, lower mental load. Two, the cue routine reward loop locks it in. The cue trigger, the routine is the behavior, and the reward is something satisfying. Three, breaking a habit isn't deletion, it's overwrite. So the old pathway is still there. Stress, boredom, and familiar cues can reactivate. Number four, short term rewards beat long term goals. Bad habits often feel good now, but have delayed consequences. Good habits often feel effortful now, but pay off later. Number five, identity and environment reinforce habits. Your identity, this is just what I do. And your environment, same place, same triggers. And the key insight, habits forms because your brain is optimized for repetition and reward. They're hard to break because your brain is optimized for consistency and survival. Well, if we go back to my answer here, I got some of it correct, but I also stepped over some steps. What this represents is my thinking. My answer is incomplete, but it shows how I think. The ChatGPT answer is more structured and it is more complete. But if I had gone straight to this answer, I wouldn't have used my own thinking. I would just have accepted this answer as is. So, since I started trying this method, what has changed when I don't let AI go first? Well, I use more of my own thinking and complement it with the knowledge I get from the AI. I don't just get answers, I am active in the process. So the next time you do some research or have a problem, when you usually just ask AI, try this first. It is a little longer process, but I feel that it make me more engaged. And if you want to stay in the loop when working with AI, this is a simple starting point. I hope to see you back here for my next video. Bye.